So, based on everything we've heard lately, it has not been too positive for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. A lot of the rumors are it's going to be exactly the same, if not the same, as the Z Fold 4. So, a lot of people are very disappointed in that fact. Recently, we learned that the actual camera module will be exactly like the Z Fold 4. As it says right here, rumors are rightful that Samsung will unveil the Z Fold 5 in August this year. According to Tipster Chum, the Z Fold 5 will have the exact camera setup that is available on the Galaxy S23 Plus. Hence, it appears the same camera setup of the Z Fold 5 may not offer any significant upgrade over the Z Fold 4. And pretty much this is across the board being confirmed that the Z Fold 5 will be the Z Fold 4, but just a +1, if anything, to a chipset and just a name change, which again is disappointing, but really not surprising at all, if we're being honest here. This is kind of what we expected. Eventually was the Z Fold series would just become the same phone, but with a different name. Well, this is actually a little bit better of information / news. So based on leakers, we are finding out that there might be an IP67 rating for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. What does that mean? Well, that means that it will finally now have dust resistance. The biggest problem with the Z Fold series is that the gap is so big, they cannot get a dust resistant rating because, let's be honest, it's pretty much impossible. When you have a gap that this big in between two foldable phones, you can't stop dust from going in there, getting on the screen, messing up the screen, whatever the case. Well, with the brand new raindrop hinge, you might not have that problem anymore. Because the raindrop hinge is going to make the gap less, it actually also makes it more dust resistance. So we're going to see an IP something rating to go with the IP rating for the to go with the IP rating for the water resistance. So currently it's IP X8 or X7. Obviously, the first rating, the X, would be the dust resistance. The second rating being a water resistant rating. So we're actually going to see a actual somewhat of a rating for that. So that's actually somewhat okay, you know? Like I said before, you know, with us not really getting an upgrade for the Z Fold series at all this year and just being the same copy and paste, at least we can go home and think, wow, we now don't have to worry about dust on our Z Fold series phone. But other than that, like I said before, it's going to be the exact same price tag, probably exact same amount of RAM, and everything else is going to be pretty much exactly the same. So it is what it is, guys, but definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Will you be picking up the Z Fold 5 or not? I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.